Channel, welcome back. Today we're gonna take an unboxing video. I don't know how much further I'll get than that. Got to figure out the quirks with this thing. You gotta plug the cable in and hold some button down while you're plugging in the power cable to get ADMS or something on the screen. It's not the easiest of radios, but I want to try P25 and I want to try C4FM. Talk to an old friend Matthew and to PSR out in Blaine, Minnesota. So he won't get a DMR radio, so I broke down and got a C4FM radio. Well, the reason I got it is because it does C4FM. We'll do traditional analog FM. And in very wide mode, it will do P25. And it also has AM receive. So if I don't use it for that, at least I can use it for a couple different other modes or as a receiver. Does have, I believe, 999 memory channels, but anyways, had to fight to get that little tab out of there, so I tried to do that ahead of time. I guess I've never meant to own a Yeasu. I had a VX5R years ago. I had it for approximately 5.5 months. The RF board went out in it. Yeasu, I sent it back to their customer service department, warranty department. It sat there for an additional 9 months. They tried to charge me to fix a radio that I sent in under warranty. We negotiated the $250 repair down to $200. I got it back. It was never great. My friend Jeff N1WD still owns a radio, but he hardly ever uses it. That tab is a pain in the arse. Okay, so we got our Yeasu limited warranty card. Please register your product at yeasu.com. Limited warranty. Is it not 1 year? What the heck? That doesn't sound too promising. We have an owner's manual. Okay, nice. Full size. It goes back to the days of the early Yeasu radios. Looks like we have an antenna. Must be the USB cable under there. The radio. The battery. And looks like the wall wart charger. Let me get everything out of the box. Okay, this battery pack feels really cheap. You know what it reminds me of and what it looks like? It's a Belfang BF888 radio pack. I'll have to see if I can find my old BF888s and compare it to it, but it looks pretty damn close to a little Belfang radio pack. It was simple enough. Put the top of it in. Push down lock, a little cam lever there that releases. Push it down in, and it just snaps in place. Leave the power buttons on the side, which is kind of weird, crazy, but it's Yeasu. Enter call sign. I'm going to do all this in the software, so I'm going to shut that thing back off. Anyways, antenna feels good and comparable. Keypads look nice. Radio is it's a little bit wide in the hand, but very narrow. It's probably as wide as my Anytone 878, but it's definitely shorter than an 878. So, would I compare this with in size? It's probably the same dimensions, pretty damn close to an old VX5R that I had. But anyways, let me get this set up to the computer and want to see the simple little programming plug file that I have set up and made, like 28 channels into it, and we'll be back. Okay, I'm taking everything out to get it set up so I can program it. Wall wart adapter does come with the American plug, but then they give me this little Asian aftermarket plug. So I guess if you travel overseas, okay, simple enough. I got a plug to take with me if I travel. Nice little feature. Okay, I got the battery charger. Just a simple wall wart with the barrel plug. Plugs into the side of the radio to charge. You know, I must say that is shameful on the Yeasu. They want to charge you an extra $29.99 for the charging cup, the drop-in charger base. So this would plug into the wall, this would plug in the side of the base, and the radio would drop into the charging cup. Shameful they can't include it for the price of the radio. I mean, the radio is only, time of this video, with shipping I paid $185 for it, but still, you can buy other brand radios for similar prices and they come with a charging cup. Anyways, that's the only caveat. I probably will get one and a spare battery or two off Amazon, but anyways, you know, if you buy one through like Henry Outlet or Gigaparts, they're going to charge you shipping on it. So the charger cup on Amazon is like 40 bucks. If I buy it by itself, which I didn't have the money to buy at the time of this video for the radio, it was 30, and I could probably get it with free shipping. But so anyways, it's going to cost me a little bit of money down the road. But again, shameful that Yeasu can't include it with the radio.
Error rating 010.
It's a slight echo effect on C4FM. I don't know if that's my hotspot or that's inherent in C4FM. Never heard it before on C4FM.
Well, I wish I could show you more about the Yeasu FT70D. I bought a duplex hotspot off Amazon. That came in on Monday. Today is Thursday. Been fighting for 2 days to get the hotspot to receive the radio. But at the desk, when I got done programming it, I did key up into a local repeater. And as I'm keying up with the radio in my hand, I smelled smoke. After that smoke, and a couple minutes in the conversation, the guy's like, "Where'd you go, Mike? I can't hear you, lost you." So I came to the conclusion that the radio, something happened to the transmit, the finals, it's gone poof. So now I'm left with a duplex hotspot, and as you can see, the radio is going back to ham radio outlet down in Newcastle, Delaware, where I bought it, because the one in Salem, New Hampshire, closer to me, had none in stock. Anyways, it is a nice built radio, a nice colorful display. Sadly, if you keep the display on a low dim backlighting, it sucks the battery dry. Doesn't come with a battery charging cup. It's got some quirks, so you have to plug the power cable in, remove the battery, plug the USB cable in, pull out the charging cable, hold down the AMS button while you plug the cable back in, then the thing comes up and it beeps at you, and on the screen it says ADMS and things like that. So anyways, neat radio. Again, my bad luck with Yeasu strikes. So I'm sending it back for a refund, and of course, because it smells smoke and it doesn't transmit, Ham Radio Deluxe, or a Ham Radio Outlet, is going to charge me a $26 restocking fee. So I hope they don't sell something that smells like smoke when you take off the battery and smell the inside chassis of the radio to another unsuspecting customer. Ah, son of a gun, man. You know, what a waste of money. And now I get a call from Ron from HRO in Delaware saying, "I've never seen this before. How did this happen?" I said, "I don't know. I programmed it. I had the stock rubber ducky on it. I turned it on. I keyed up. All I smelled was smoke. And then within a matter of a couple hours of me trying to use it, it just progressively got worse, and I had no transmit 2 feet away from the hotspot, 2 inches away from the hotspot antenna. It would not key up the hotspot. Across the living room, I could not key into a DMR radio on FM simplex. So apparently, this one is toast, and this is the end of the story. So can I recommend Yeasus to you? Not wholeheartedly, not honestly. Maybe your luck will vary, your mileage will vary, but caveat emptor.